Welcome to another exciting episode of Startup Saturday, your premier source for the hottest trends and game-changing innovations in the startup world. This week, we explore groundbreaking AI solutions, high-stakes acquisitions, and major funding boosts that are reshaping industries. Let's dive into the dynamic world of startups and discover what's making waves this week. Let's get started. MapmyIndia founders unveil Clarity X to combat financial frauds with AI insights. Rakesh and Rashmi Verma, founders of geotech startup MapmyIndia, have launched Clarity X, an AI-driven data and consulting platform designed to help enterprises make efficient decisions using real-time data. Clarity X, in partnership with MapmyIndia, aims to identify new markets, optimize costs, and reduce risk and fraud. Co-founded by Rakhi Prasad, Clarity X offers a full stock solution with proprietary indices, customizable AI models, and consultancy services. Its product line includes district and rural potential indices, sales projection models, risk assessment, origin destination analysis, category trend analysis, and catchment analysis. MapmyIndia, founded in 1995, provides digital map data and GPS-based IoT devices. Recently, its stock hit an all-time high with a buy rating from Goldman Sachs. The company reported a 35% year-on-year increase in profit for the March quarter, highlighting the rising importance of AI-based data solutions. Flipkart Swiggy stake talks and in valuation dispute, Flipkart reportedly engaged in talks with Swiggy for an acquisition of a majority stake, involving discussions with Swiggy's major backer Prosus. However, negotiations faltered primarily over valuation and Flipkart's demand for a controlling stake. Swiggy, valued around $11 to $12 billion during talks, later denied any formal discussions. The failed deal would have allowed Flipkart entry into India's competitive food delivery and quick commerce sectors amid growing competition, including recent funding boost for Zapto and expansion by Blinkit and Swiggy Instamart. Swiggy, preparing for an IPO, aimed to raise INR 10,400 crore, emphasizing cost cuts and revenue growth, with a 24% year-on-year revenue increase in 2023 reported by Prosus. Rocketlane raises $24 million to expand AI-powered platform for professional services teams. SaaS startup Rocketlane, serving professional services teams globally, has raised $24 million in Series B funding to enhance its AI-driven PSA platform. Headquartered in Utah and Chennai, Rocketlane replaces multiple tools with an all-in-one solution for time tracking, resource management, project accounting, document collaboration, and communication. Founded in 2020 by Sri Krishan Ganeshan, Vignesh Girishankar, and Deepak Bala, the startup aims to improve project delivery and client satisfaction. With 500 paying customers and 60% of revenue from the US, Rocketlane plans to expand in the US and Europe, introduce conversational AI, and upgrade its customer portal. The funding round was co-led by 8 VC, Matrix Partners India, and Nexus Venture Partners. Northern Arc Capital raises $75 million from Dutch FMO for microloans and MSMEs. Chennai-based non-banking lender Northern Arc Capital has secured $75 million INR 620 crore through non-convertible debentures from Dutch FMO. These funds, listed on BSE for 5 years, will support retail microloans, MSME loans, and green projects aiming to drive sustainable economic growth and financial inclusion. CEO Ashish Mehrotra highlighted the pivotal role of platforms like NPOS and Nimbus in leveraging advanced technology and analytics for efficient loan processing and debt management. Established in 2009, Northern Arc has financed INR 1.5 trillion across India, serving MSMEs, Indian household and startups such as Rebel Foods and BharatPe. FY24 saw revenues rise to INR 1,890 crore, marking a 44% increase year-on-year, with a profit of INR 317.69 crore. This funding precedes Northern Arc IPO plan following its draft red herring prospectus filing in February, supported by investors like Sumitomo Mitsui Banking Corporation and Leapfrog. Zyod raises $18 million to expand global tech-enabled fashion manufacturing. Gurugram-based startup Zyod has secured $18 million in a Series A round led by RTP Global with participation from Lightspeed, Alteria Capital, Stride Venture, Stride One, and Trifecta Capital. Founded in 2023, Zyod provides an ERP platform to Indian factories, optimizing fashion manufacturing for global brands across 18 countries. The platform enhances capacity utilization and production efficiency, replacing traditional methods with data-driven insights and daily production reporting. Zyod aims to enter new markets like Brazil and Australia, focusing on automating pattern generation and integrating with stitching machines to reduce errors. The funding will also support expansion in the Southern Hemisphere and enhance predictive capabilities, predicting consumer demand for over 10,000 styles monthly. Prosus writes of $2.1 billion Byju's stake amid governance woes. Prosus, a major investor in Byju's, announced in its quarterly report that its once $2.1 billion stake in the Indian edtech giant is now worth nothing, citing a drastic decrease in equity value. Despite this, Prosus remains optimistic about Byju's future but stresses the need for improved governance. Byju's, once valued at $22 billion, has faced financial and governance challenges, including missed reporting deadlines and executive departures. The startup recently raised $200 million at a reduced valuation of $225 million to $250 million amid legal disputes with investors. Prosus, known for investment in Tencent and Swiggy, has also devalued its stake in Stack Overflow and Pharmacy due to market adjustments. Last year, Prosus criticized Byju's for disregarding advice, reflecting ongoing concerns about management decisions. At last, iStart startup shine at Startup Mahakumbh in Rajasthan. Rajasthan iStart initiative took center stage at the Startup Mahakumbh, a landmark event uniting India's startup ecosystem, organized by ASSOCHAM, NASSCOM, and other industry bodies. The three-day event focused on Bharat Innovates, showcasing innovations from startups nationwide. iStart Rajasthan featured prominently with 10 booths highlighting state-backed programs and initiatives. Startups nurtured under iStart spanning sectors like transport, education, healthcare, and VR technologies presented their solutions. Tikam Chand Jain, founder of Flipkart India, praised iStart for robust booth management and support. JP Gianni from the Department of IT and Communication Rajasthan highlighted the event's networking opportunities and platform for sharing state initiatives. That's all for today's startup news. We have seen some exciting developments and challenges in the tech world. Keep following us for more updates and insights into the ever-evolving startup landscape. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for the latest news and information in the startup world. Stay tuned to IT Voice for more tech updates.